Ito yung kunyari di ka. Ito yung best friend ko! Mukhay ka naman, ha?
Work is almost over, summer's getting closer.
Off to the gym, first stop.
Diving deep into the waves, babe. I know that you wanted to. It's a risk worth taking, even if it's over soon. Want you skin tight, close like denim. Come on, love me right. When it's ending, I'll be fine. I got your body close to mine. Call me if it's only for tonight.
Just got back from the gym, had a really good session. I did shoulders today and I actually wasn't feeling the workout in the beginning, but luckily the pre-workout kicked in, so we had a really good one, and Diana hit the cardio and she did weights before I got there because she woke up a little bit earlier. But yeah, the kids are waiting for us in the pool, so we're gonna go downstairs and eat.
Ayan.
Hi.
Hi. Tapos na
Bob.
swimming?
Yeah.
Enjoy ba ikaw?
Yeah.
Yeah? Anong ginawa mo sa pool?
Underwater.
Underwater?
Yeah.
Oh, did you had fun?
Yeah.
Enjoy it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I enjoy it.
Yeah. Sabi nila you got friends there? What's the name of your friend?
Princess.
Si Princess.
He's Princess.
Kita mo si Princess?
His name is Princess.
Oo. Si Princess pala yung friend mo doon. Kita ko
Yeah.
kayo, nag-dance kayo?
Yeah.
Together?
Yeah.
You swam together?
Yeah. He likes. I like the stage.
The
I want a
stage?
stage like that.
That's not
I
a
want to
stage.
dance like a stage.
Okay.
In the there.
Okay. Like Lele. Remember Lele dance? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Tapos na swimming. So kami ngayon ay papunta na sa room. Shower na.
Outside.
Madilim, oo. Hi mga zoobs! Tapos na tayong mag-swimming. So for today naman, gusto ko ipakilala sa inyo mamaya yung mga friends ko since I was in elementary. Yung isa kasi, nandito na-vlog ko na yan si Mike. Pero I will formally introduce him to you. Tapos yung isa, kakarating niya lang, kaka-fly in niya lang dito from Japan. Kasama niya yung kanyang family at mga anak. So, yan. Dito lang sila naka-check-in sa kabilang hotel, sa katabi nitong Hilton. Kaya imi-meet namin sila today. Tagal namin di nakita. Siguro mga 5 years. Parang bago pa mag-pandemic yung huli ko siyang nakita. Kaya ayan, naka-ready na ako. What's that? Oh, sige. Hati kayo ni Ate Yas. Bigyan mo si Ate Lele, ha? Ito, ayos na. Mag-blower lang ako ng buhok.
Ito yung kunyari di ka.
Ito yung best friend ko! Mukhay ka naman, ha?
I've always admired those who just do it and they conquered their fears. They fall back down and they keep getting up and they try to steer clear. I'm afraid, I'll admit. What if I'm stuck in my mind? I'm not great, neither rich.
Alright, so this is us packing up now, guys. We just finished dinner So we're starting to put some of our stuff away. Some stuff we're going to be leaving. I think it's this bag that we're leaving right here, and then this stuff we are bringing home over there. So yeah, we'll do a bit of this muna. As you can see, there's quite a lot to get done, but after that we will go downstairs to the lounge to hang out with our friends again. But yeah, this is it. We'll be seeing King in just a few days.
Ayan, nakabalik na kami ng room at pupunta kami sa lounge. Mag-wine-wine kami. Halika na!
You got a key?
Oo.
What is it? Sinadya siya.
Sinadya ko nga para mukha kaming kambal.
Itaw na lang kami.
Bye.
Bye, Mimi! Bye, Mimi!
Buyers! Bye!
Love you.
From Spartan to, Oran.
O, diba? Ayan, ito si Mike. Siya yung ko. Siya yung alalay namin.
Hi, ma'am.
Ito si Carla.
Isa pang alalay ko.
Pangalawang alalay niya.
Gago. Yan, yung mga classmate ko nung elementary.
Yung pinakopyahan niya, yung bata.
Uy! Excuse me Ako yung kinakopyahan nyo.
Ay.
Yung nagdadamot siya, wala namang kumukopya.
Gago. Si Mike, katabi tayo di ba grade 5?
Grade 5. Tapos yung
Matulog.
Scandal yan niya.
Katabi kami nung grade 5 sa school.
Mampakubas.
Pamboy.
Oo.
Isa sa mga
Tapos yung baon mo laging mabaho.
Talaga ba?
Oo. Di ba may baonan tayo dati kapag kakain. Laging mabaho. Ako dati laging chicken. Alala ko. Sa Madison dati. O gusto mo sa whiskey lime? Wine lang gusto nila
Pwede whiskey lime.
Level 2. With alak pa tayo dun para you can get your
Pinantaalak ko lang para
Yeah, we finished it. Pretty sure.
konti na lang. At least pwede na yun.
isang baso.
Isang baso. Welcome back to the Philippines.
Ay, oh.
Parang shy
Dapat yan.
Uy!
bagay sa'yo.
Hindi ka shy type. Huwag kang
Oo,
Ikaw yung
ikaw
pinakamaingay.
Huwag kang magpanggal. Na-meet nyo ang aking mga kababata. Sila talaga yung nakasama ko since since tayo ay elementary. Kaya naman masaya ko na sila pa rin yung nakakasama ko hanggang ngayon. Sabi ko nga sa inyo si Mike, kasama ko na yan since grade 2. Si Carla grade 2 pero hindi ko siya classmate noon. Pero yun nga, ka-seatmate ko pa. Tapos lahat ng kalokohan, lahat ng mga si Mike kasama ko dati sa track and field, nag-join kami ng mga competition. Naalala ko pinapadala kami sa iba't ibang school para sumali sa mga track and field relay. Tapos si Carla naman sa singing contest, ako naman sa dancing. Yun yung mga naaalala ko, mga namin pinagsamahan during our elementary and high school days. And I'm glad na okay ang mga buhay namin. Like si Carla, she lives in Japan now. Si Mike naman dito as a businessman. Tapos, si Mike actually is kasama ko sa mga business transactions ko before ako umalis ng Pilipinas. And until now, we are trying to open a new one. And si Carla, pag nagpupunta kami ng Japan, lagi kaming nag-visit sa kanila and minsan doon kami tumitira sa bahay niya. So, I'm glad na umuwi siya during time na nandito ako ngayon sa Pilipinas. Ano ba? Wala na akong maipapayo dyan sa mga yan. Alam na nila yan. parang may group chat nga kami kapag nag-uusap-usap kami, chismisan. So, ayoko nang magbigay ng message sa inyo dahil alam nyo na yan. Thank you so much mga Zoobs. Ayan, na-meet nyo ang aking mga kababata. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. And, of course, thank you sa ating mga sponsors at patuloy na tumatawag para mag-sponsor ng aming vlog. Thank you so much, guys. Bye-bye!